What's happening, YouTube? It's your boy Brosif. Welcome back to the channel, y'all. Appreciate y'all for tuning back in. We have another piece of music to unbox, but usually on this channel we do the sneakers, or we do sneakers, or we do vinyls. This is a signed CD. This we don't do CDs, but this is a signed CD, and this is Snoop Dogg's Missionary CD, and this is the exclusive one, the signed one. Cool. So without any hesitation, let's get straight into it. I did doctor it up, took off all the order codes, my address, and all that stuff, so you guys can get a true unboxing of this. Let me know if you guys like that. The comment down below. Let me know. Oh yeah, subscribe, thumbs up. It really, really means a lot. Almost forgot to throw that in there. Damn. But yeah, let's get into this unboxing. So yeah, just Interscope. They're where the hell are they? 9 Mile, Michigan. All right, cool. I guess they're in Michigan. They use FedEx to ship this out. Took out all the sensitive info, but let's get into this unboxing, y'all. Appreciate y'all tuning in. That Snoop Dogg video got a lot of really good views. So yeah, I figured I'd do this one too. I did get a whole bunch of these. I think I got 4 of them. Nice. I love it when they actually do a little bit of protection and don't just ship these bare. Because I mean, it's a CD jewel case, so I mean that can easily get cracked or messed up. I'm not gonna lie, Taylor Swift does a great job. She'll send Lucy's in like something designed for CDs, for CD, oh yeah, for CD packaging. But here it is, family. This is Snoop Dogg's Missionary. We've done the vinyl of this. If you do want to see the vinyl unboxing of this with the white condom picture disc, I'll put a little comment right here, a little picture right here to check that video out. But this is the CD version. So right here we have Snoop Dogg, Missionary, Oral Pleasure, brand latex condoms lubricated, parental advisory for explicit content. This is a great album. This has no skips. My least favorite song is probably the one with Sting. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, but there is not a skip on this album. This is a really, really good album. Fantastic vinyl playthrough. Right here, Death Row, Aftermath, Interscope. Boom. See the side. Snoop Dogg Missionary. It's got Aftermath, all that right there. Nothing special on the bindings. All right, let's check this bad boy out. Here is the Snoop Dogg Missionary album. Let's open her up. I'm excited for the booklet and all that stuff and the insert. Boom. Ooh. Yeah, boy. Snoop Dogg. That's dope. Nice. Oh, and that's like a silver Sharpie. Shouts out to Snoop. Because, I mean, a black Sharpie would have been cool. But that silver and gold Sharpie hits a little different. You feel me? Nice. Nice. Let's take this insert out. I'm actually probably going to frame this myself. Because I'm a big Snoop Dogg fan. Ooh, yeah, that metallic hits so nice, man. Shouts out. I'm sure that I don't know, yeah, I mean maybe he got a brand new marker for this, but if everybody got a silver one, shouts out to y'all because that silver hits nice. I mean the black wouldn't have done it justice because it's so, I guess, yeah, the whole photo is really, really dark. But yeah, that can't get over that. Nice, I'm putting that right there. And then right here we have like the Trojan logo, but we got to Snoopify it. So we got a Snoop Dogg's face right here. Of course, he's got a joiner blunt. And then, yeah, boom, 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 boom. Chronic marijuana leaves right there. And then this is just like the picture disc, actually. Yeah, this is just like the vinyl picture disc. But I will remove it just to see. I do see something in the back. Let's check that bad boy out. Snoop Dogg Missionary. Boom. All right, let's check out the booklet. I do not. I mean, I do. We all have a CD player. I mean, I have an Xbox, but I don't. I'm not gonna play this. Yeah, I'm not gonna play this because I have the vinyl. The vinyl sounds so good, and yeah, there's just no point for me to play this. So I won't be playing it for the channel. But I did play it in my vinyl unboxing video. So if you did want to check that out, go ahead. Like I said, it is linked below, and we did do it in the earlier video. All right, let's get this shit out, man. This should give me the hardest time right here, and I'm not trying to damage it. I might have to take it out the back way. The bite. All right, there. Yeah, I did want to go over this with you for the unboxing because Yeah, like booklets like this don't come in the vinyls, but what I'm imagining is that it's exactly like the vinyl. The vinyl had one big like 12 by 12 insert, and I'm imagining that's just what this is, just spread out with a whole bunch of thank yous, the credits. Correct. Yes, here are the credits, producer, extra vocals on there, and then at the back it should be, here's more of the track list. I think it's just 17 songs or so. And then the back should have the thank yous, correct, yes. So the thank yous to the Aftermath crew, the Interscope crew, Death Row crew. Man, this is super, super cool. I'm really family. Just a couple differences I did notice. Just like I was saying, how the booklet's basically just 4 pages, but it is really just 4 pages of this chopped up. So yeah, this is the vinyl, the insert for the vinyl that it originally comes with, and then this is what's printed on the booklet, essentially. And then the thank yous would be the last page, and then there's the thank yous. And then obviously, additionally, right here, this is the CD. So the picture is on this side of the disc, and then the music is on the other side of the disc. But with this being vinyl, and since the grooves are etched inside, the other side of the picture disc is identical. It just, one side says side A and the other one says side B. So pretty much the same packaging, except for this one came with a signed autograph. Well, yeah, an autographed card. But yeah, guys, that is gonna wrap up this video, and it's gonna give you a little preview of the new of the videos coming in the future. I am gonna unbox that Snoop Dogg signed vinyl. Got 3 more of these right here. I am gonna do that Snoop Dogg unboxed vinyl, the blue one. I appreciate y'all for tuning in. If you like content like this, thumbs up, subscribe, and yeah, look forward to that Snoop Dogg video, look forward to that Snoop Dogg giveaway, and yeah, shouts out to Missionary and the album. Great album, definitely my top 3 albums, if anybody gives a shit. It would be, no order, it's going to be this song, this Missionary. That Eminem album was crazy good, super slept on. The Death of Slim Shady, that is number, like I said, that's gonna be number 2, and then the third one's gonna be that Future, that We Don't Trust You Part 1. Yeah, those 3 are for sure my favorites. And then honorable mention would for sure be Gibbs' project. And then what is the other one? I think it was, yeah. Anyways, that's it. That's going to be it, guys. Appreciate y'all tuning in. Until the next video, y'all. We out. Peace.